Hello, welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I would like to show you how to make some barbecue pulled turkey. So we're going to bake the turkey in the oven, and then we're going to pull the meat off the bone and shred it sort of with your hand, and then we're going to marinate that with some barbecue sauce, with some rice and some goodies. Okay, alright, so it's another way to eat turkey. You know, turkey is very healthy for you. It's less in fat, and you know, if you just bake it and you don't try to do a variety of things, you may get tired of it. So I don't want you to do that. So I thought I'd show you another way to eat turkey today. Okay, alright, so let's get started. Thank you. Thumbs up, share, subscribe, check out the links. Thank you. Okay, so I have a turkey leg here. Alright, let's season it. I want to put some garlic and herb seasoning on it. I'm going to go pretty heavy with this. And some salt. Turkey is pretty bland, so I wanted to put the salt on there to bring that up. Okay, so you can see, I'm going to do the next side. I did rub some olive oil on the bottom of my pan, guys. Okay, so that's what we're looking like. Okay, I'm going to put about maybe 5 tablespoons or so of water at the bottom of the pan, making steam. Okay, and now we're going to cover this with aluminum foil. Okay, I'm going to put that in the oven on 350 for a couple of hours. Okay, thanks. Okay guys, our turkey is out. And so I'm going to let this cool for about a half hour, and then I'm going to show you how to make pulled turkey, and we're going to barbecue it, okay? Alright, so let's let this cool down for about 30 minutes and we'll be back. Okay guys, our turkey is nice and cool, so now I'm going to show you how to shred it to make pulled barbecue turkey. It's very tender because, you know, we cooked it for 2 hours. So the first thing you want to do is free the meat from the skin or any bones. You see what I'm doing? Okay, that we don't want. Skin, we don't want. Any skin, get rid of. Or fat. Okay, so you see the skin here? We don't want that. So we're going to take that off. Okay, now you're going to take a fork and you're going to actually, if you see any bones, take those out. You're just going to pull it. I'm pulling towards this way with one hand and this way with the other hand, okay? And this same way you would do if you had chicken, okay? Any bones or anything like that, just get rid of it. You don't want it. Any hard part you don't want because it's supposed to be nice and tender. Fat, get rid of that. See, so I'm just pulling it away with a fork. You can see that, right? So fat and a gristle, we don't want that. Okay, so this is what we don't want, okay? Now I have a clean pan here that we're going to put our turkey in. I'm washing my hands. Okay, so this is what we're left. Okay. So we have some sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. So we're going to put that on there. Like so. Now we're going to mix this up. Okay, I'm going to put some more barbecue sauce on. Let me show you this. You can see I need more, right? Okay, I put that much more on. Okay, I'm going to get a dish to put that in. 1 second. Okay, guys, look at that. Huh? Wait a minute. There we go. How about that? Barbecue pulled turkey and potato salad. Now you can have the barbecue pulled turkey on a bun or on a wrap, whatever way you want. Look at that, huh? Hey, let me taste. Okay. Mmm. Wow, that's really good. And look how much it yields. 1 turkey leg. Okay, that's a lot. You can feed at least 2 adults and 1 child with that easily. Okay. Well, I brought that home to you. Enjoy that. Make yours and let me know how you like it. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Subscribe if this is your first time on the channel. And check out my links below. I have a GoFundMe and a Patreon if you would like to participate in the helping of this channel. And I thank you in advance. Have a good night. Bye. Be safe.